and the remaining hair will fly in the air. For a moment, I prayed to all the available gods on the internet. Months passed by. We got married. After our marriage, I decided to find a bald solution for my baldness. And after an extensive search, I was successful enough to find a very special medicine exclusively for hair growth, which is powerful enough to sprout new hair on any surface. My wife, my new wife, at that time started to apply this medicine every day, morning, during the honeymoon, on my full moon. After 4 weeks, exactly after 28 days, small hairs started to emerge. Unfortunately on her fingers, not on my head. So fellow Toastmasters and distinguished guests, Baldi is beautiful and we Baldi shine more than others, not only under the sunlight but even under the tube light. Many of the world famous leaders were Baldis. Most of the international speech champions are Baldis. So if you are a Baldi, be proud of yourself. Because God created few with head and the rest with hair.
Thank you, Josh. That was a wonderful experience for us. Thanks for coming and delivering your first speech in front of us. One magic moment in the history of Lagoon was when Lagoon, in its second year of existence, sent a contestant to the district contest. 2003 DTAC, which took place in Dubai. And who can say who was the contestant from Lagoon, which was first contestant to the district conference? No, you are not allowed to speak with it. Nobody from the pre-2003 contest.
Safin?
No.
Ganesh?
No. Ganesh was not a member of Lagoon.
50% correct. Mrs.
No.
Ganesh? Mrs. Ganesh?
That was Dr. Padmaja Ganesh, who represented the first time Lagoon in the district conference. I think Anand Joshi, where is the chocolate man? He's missing.
I think later on.
We'll take the chocolate later. Unfortunately, Dr. Padmaja had to migrate to Canada, so she's not a member of Lagoon Toastmasters anymore. But we have another doctor in Lagoon these days. He's a different kind of doctor. He treats minds. He's a psychiatrist. He also serves Lagoon as the Vice President membership. The next program we have in our agenda is a little serious business. It's an induction of the new members, which will be handled by the Vice President membership. Let's welcome on this stage VP membership, Dr. Balan Vijay Kumar.
Is he taking his patients to blood?
Respected International Director of Toastmasters International, Mr. Mohammad Murad, Lieutenant Governor Education and Training, Mr. Radhakrishnan, Division Governor Toastmasters Sundararajan, Area Governor VP Menon, Toastmaster of the Day, other dignitaries, Toastmasters and my dear guests. As Vice President of Lagoon Toastmasters, it is a great honor and privilege for me to conduct this formal induction ceremony here for the new members as part of our 150th meeting. Dear Toastmasters, this ceremony here today is symbolic of the success and growth of this club. This growth is the effort not only of all the past VP memberships, but each and every member of the club who has belonged here over the last 6 to 7 years. Let me congratulate all the members, past and present, on this achievement. We will do this induction ceremony in 3 stages. First, the new members will formally say yes to the Toastmasters promise. Second, the club members will formally say yes and vote them in as club members. And finally, we will present label pins to the newly inducted members. I would like to call upon the new members to come on stage. Dear Toastmasters, please give them a big hand. First, Thomas Jello. Annie Menezes. Francis Sebastian. Priyeshwari. Gilson. Parul. Anil Kumar Vike. Samir. Deep. Wasim. Fatima Suhair. Mr. Suhair Abdul Qadir. Wissam. And Nikita. Dear members to be inducted, welcome to the dais. As a part of the induction ceremony, you are required to formally say a loud yes to the Toastmasters promise. I'll read it out, and following that you can say a loud yes. As members of the Toastmasters International and a member of Lagoon Toastmasters Club, I promise to attend all club meetings regularly, to participate actively in all the club activities to the best of my ability, to adhere to the guidelines and rules of all the Toastmaster programs, and to maintain high ethical standards during the conduct of all Toastmaster activities. Please say aloud, yes.
Yes.
Thank you. Now to the members of Lagoon, do them in as members. Now that the members have been formally inducted as formal members of the club, I would like to call upon the chief guest, international director. Should wear it on all occasions. People will ask you about it, and then you can start talking about Toastmasters International and then invite them to the club. I am also sure that 50 meetings from now, for the 200th meeting, many of these members will be conducting the show. And therefore it is a great privilege and honor for me to have conducted this ceremony. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Dr. Balan, for conducting the ceremony. And thanks for not taking so much of time. You finished it faster. Thanks. One of the magic moments of Lagoon was when, in the year 2003, the first UAE national joined the Lagoon Toastmasters Club. So, all the members of the Lagoon Toastmasters liked his dedication, his hard work, his sincerity with which he did his quiet speeches. And he brought a great glory for the club when in 2006, when he became the district humorous speaking champion. No chocolates for guessing the name. This was Toastmaster Farooq Mohammed. That was a great magic moment in the history of Lagoon. And very recently we had another magic moment when another of our Toastmasters brought in the Doha DTAC won the second place in table topics. That was Eloy Maziro. That was another magic moment in the history of Lagoon. And next is probably the most awaited session. There have been a few Toastmasters, a few fighters in Lagoon who have been preparing hard for the past 2 weeks to fight each other on the stage. They are very impatiently waiting amongst the audience to start for this next moment to start. This is the killer debate session. And to conduct the session, we have the greatest fighter in Lagoon, who again brought the magical moment for Lagoon this year. To conduct the killer debate session, let's invite on stage Toastmaster Eloy Maziro.
Now, this judging system will be different. You will be given sheets of paper and a pencil. You will discuss within yourselves who is the winner. I'll tell you how the competition goes on. Please, if you pass it on. No, 4 because each round they are prepared. Now I want only the best to come out for the one that is they have not prepared.